Hi friends, today we will teach about photoelectric effect which was the most out understanding quantum mechanical effect which was not be explained on the basic of quantum mechanics. Here we can say that there are is a vacuum chamber, we can say vacuum tube for electrons. Here this is a emitter plate and this is acceptor or collector plate. A power supply is given between these two plates. Here emitter plates works as like it will emits electrons directly to the in front of collector plate, and on the other hand the collector plate collect the electrons, and there will be a current flow in the circuit and which is measured by this ammeter. Actually this is not a ammeter, it must be a micrometer because the amount of current too much small that we can't measure it, so it is a micrometer. Here we also see that there is a light coming from here to a window which may be and reflected on incident on this plate. Then there is electron emitted by this plate and moved towards collector plate. This phenomena is called quantum mechanical based photoelectric effect. Means of this, there is a electron emitted by light and this is called photoelectric effect. Now we will discuss about why this is the most important play role in the quantum mechanics, because whole this phenomena never can be explained on the basic of classical mechanics, because classical mechanics believe that energy always transferred in form of wave, and this phenomena solidly says that only and only this effect can be explained on the basis of quantum mechanics. Here there is a theory which is given by Einstein. If I would like to express Einstein equation of photoelectric effect, which is h nu equal to h nu 0 plus half mv square, it may be E into V, potential energy of electron, where what is nu and nu 0. Let me show this. Here we will talk about nu. First we know that the light inciding from here in this manner, this way, then what will be happen, this arrow shows light coming from outside to collector plate. As soon as Einstein explains that when any photons incident on this emitter plate, then there is a electron which is given energy by a photons is emitted and moved towards in front of collector plate. The energy of photon which is coming from here is h nu, where nu is frequency of photons and h is a Planck constant. On the other hand, in last equation we see that nu 0 is basically term which is include with work function. So now let me clear that what is work function. Work function is nothing more than, if I would like to say that this plate, as we can see that here, this plate will emit a electron from here, then energy of emitted photon depend upon coming light or coming photon which are incident on this plate. This is not same for all metals. Suppose that if this is plate which is made of ferrous, maybe copper, maybe zinc, maybe sodium, maybe cesium, any metal, then all these atom metals have different property. As the result of this, the emitted photons will be emitted or not, depends upon all this metal. Why? Because atomic structure of each metals is different. We are talking about emitted electrons. Electron will be removed or ejected by this surface easy way, as it is as easily available here. As the result of this, what we will have, as the result we see that when a photon comes and hit at this point, then here a electron will be ejected only and if only the energy of photon is higher than a minimum amount which is required by this surface. This minimum energy required by this surface to emit an electron is called work function W naught, or equal to h nu 0 naught. This is work function. Then the less energy or which is not used is given to this electron, and finally it get in front of collector plate. It is only possible when, if electron has value higher than EV0. V0 is potential developed between two plates. E is charge of electron. Then if K is higher than EV0, then electron finally got at here. If K is less than, then what will have? EV0 higher than K0, then electron comes to collector plate but never to reach at here. It will be before reaching reflected by this plate. If K is higher than V0, then electron will be ejected, and as the result of this, a current flow through this wire and a circuit has been complete. This is called photoelectric effect. Here we can see that another example of photoelectric effect. Here, as we can see that there are three photons are taken which shows that here we can see the red color photon, so the value of it will never eject any electron, because electrons to emit from this surface required 1.722 electron volt energy. The energy of photon is less than this critical limit. On the other hand, for green color photons, here energy of photon is higher than the energy required to emit your work function W0, then it will successfully emit electrons. On the other hand, the violet color is also emitted electrons. We can say that energy to eject any electron from metallic surface, it will depend upon energy of coming photons. If it is higher than a limit, then we can say that it will eject, otherwise it will never eject. Here some basic postulates we can say. Here it photoelectric fields below the threshold value frequency as we required. Also in next video we will talk about Compton effect. Thanks.